Hey crafters, it's Alex Vanover and welcome back to my craft room and welcome back to Craft of the Curve day number 13. So today's project is to label anything around your home that could be labeled with vinyl. The example that I'm going to show you today are these really cute glass jars that I actually bought and put in my kitchen specifically to be labeled Home Sweet Home, that I hadn't gotten around to it yet. So today for Craft of the Curve, label anything around your home that needs to be labeled, like canisters on your kitchen counter that need to be labeled flour and sugar, any drawers that need to be labeled, areas in your closet that need to be labeled, or anything to help get you organized. The first step before adding vinyl to glass, like these glass jars, is cleaning off the area with rubbing alcohol. This removes any dirt or dust that has accumulated on the surface that could stop the vinyl from sticking as well as it should. The next step is to weed all of your vinyl decals. You want to do each of them separately so that you can apply transfer tape to each of them separately. I like to make sure that I have separate pieces of transfer tape on all of my decals because I'm going to line up my jars together to make sure I apply the vinyl in almost the same spot. So I want to make sure that they're not having to share transfer tape. Then make sure to use a squeegee to burnish it down really well. Lay down your squeegee to help stabilize your jars as you're applying your vinyl decal. Then hold your vinyl in this horse shape kind of shape, set down the center and then each side for as few bubbles as possible when you're applying your decals. Then you're gonna leave the jars next to each other while you apply the vinyl so that you put them at about the same spot on each jar. This makes sure that they look a little bit better when they're sitting together on the counter. Make sure that you spend some extra time burnishing with your squeegee on a font like this because it does have some longer tails, so you want to make sure that you don't pull any of the vinyl off and rip the tails with your transfer tape. You'll see me spend some extra time burnishing on this transfer tape in particular because I was a little rushed the first time and I didn't burnish it down very well. So there's lots of room for working and reworking these decals. Now you're done. These jars are hand wash safe, but they are still not dishwasher safe because they have vinyl on them. They're super cute, they keep you organized, and they look great in your home.